Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada, and today I'm going to review something a little bit different for you guys. I've done these before, reviewing pillows from PineTales, and I'm super excited for this one because I recently took it with me on vacation to South Carolina, and it was amazing. This pillow is actually special because, look at that, there's a boat. There's a boat. It has the Sedona Vortex stitched into the fabric. So as you see, it is stitched into it. And the one thing that's cool is, if you guys don't know about the Sedona Vortex, the whole area of Sedona is said to have this energy in it, conducive to like healing, meditation, and just really self-reflection and self-exploration. There are four areas that are specific in Sedona that have like the most energy in them. And Bell Rock, which is what's stitched on this pillow, is one of those four places. This one is also filled with I made a mess of it. Inside of this cotton pillow, inside this cotton pillowcase, you have a stretchy cotton pillowcase that is filled with the buckwheat hulls, and it is totally customizable. You can take some out. You can also buy extra ones and put more in if you want to. I took some of them out. I think I took about a cup and a half out before I went on vacation, and that was kind of perfect for me. I took this with me because I don't like sleeping in hotels. So I always take like my own sheets, my own pillows. Even when I'm staying in like really nice hotels, I still bring my own stuff because I just don't like it. But no, this pillow is like really, really soft and like moldable. And then the cool thing is, it comes with its own little carrying bag. So like it has its own little protective carrying bag that you could store it in. And on the back here, it also comes with this little bag that is filled with crystals. Of course, I dumped them all out. Now I kind of showed you the outside of the pillow and the crystals that it comes with. The cool thing about this pillow too is if you pull this inner pillow out, which I spilled some of the buckwheat hulls in there, but it has these two pockets on this side of it, and you can take two of these crystals, whichever two you want, or you can take your own crystals if you want to, if you have any crystals that are like special to you that you would want to travel with. You can put them right in these little pockets, and then you put it back in and you have your crystals right there with you in your pillow. How pretty the inside even is. It's like really, really nice. These are made in Arizona, so if you are in the Sedona area of Arizona, you will be able to grab these at certain gift shops. I will list them in the description box, so if you guys are in that area, you can grab one or more while you're there. That's just my quick review of the Sedona Vortex travel pillow from PineTales. I honestly love this thing. It is my new go-to travel pillow, and I hope you guys liked this kind of review of this pillow. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you go so you don't miss when I upload my next video, and enjoy this background. Bye guys.